See the second problem. In triangle ABC, AB is 10, AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9. Find the length of the median drawn from the point C to side AB. So first we will draw triangle ABC. So triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now next what they are saying, find drawn from the point C to the side AB. Okay, so you can label it as D. Now find the length of the median drawn from the point C to side AB. This we want to find the length of this median X. AB is how much? AB is 10 given to us. AC is equal to 7. BC is 9. Okay. Now D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint and DC is the median. So now DC is median. So that means we can directly use the Apollonius property. Okay. So by using Apollonius theorem, now what we will get? Okay. So which is the median? DC is the median. Side opposite to DC, what is the side? AC. So AC square plus what is other side? BC plus BC square is equal to what we will get? Twice of DC plus twice of DA or DB. Twice of DA. Okay. So this will get the statement squares. So this will get squares. Twice of DC square, twice of D. So we get this statement with the help of Apollonius theorem. Now insert all the values. Now before that you can see AB is 10 given to us. Okay. So D is midpoint. So if D is midpoint, we can say AD is equal to DB is equal to half of AB. So that means half of AB is how much? 10. So that is 5. So AD and DB you will get 5. So now you can use in place of DA you can use 5. So insert all the values. AC square, that is 7 square, plus BC square, that is 9 square, twice of DC square plus twice of DA, that is 5 square. So 49 plus 81 twice of DC square plus 2 into 25, so that is 50. So multiply 90 plus 40, 130 minus 50 is equal to twice of DC square. So 50, so 130 minus 50 will get 80. 80 by 2 is equal to DC square. So DC square is equal to 2 4 z, that is 40. So hence DC is equal to square root of 40. So square root of 40 you can solve this. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s. So what you'll get? DC is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So you have to make pair because square root of 4 is 2. So here 2 into 2, that is 4 into 10, that is 40. So 4 you can take outside, but while coming outside it will be 2. 2 root 5 to the 10. Okay. So DC is equal to 2 root 10. Hence what they asked us what is the median, what is the length of the median. So write down the solution. The final result, length of the median is 2 root 10 units. So length of the median drawn from the point C to the side AB is 2 root 10 units. So this is the solution.